Spectra and Hemi are teaming up to change the way that you earn with your Bitcoin by giving you the options to pool hemiBTC together and get yield off of it. Doing so is quite simple. Connect your Web3 wallet here to Spectra's app with some hemiBTC loaded up. The way you add it here is just by selecting an amount to add. When you create this liquidity option here, you see that you can get a share of the Spectra, the VE Spectra that's available, and adding liquidity is a quite simple process. You just need to make sure that Hemi is the correct network. It'll automatically switch the network for you here. Approve the transaction in MetaMask. And confirm it. You'll need to confirm it in your wallet. And there you have it. Clicking here will show you your active portfolio. And you can see right there, I'm earning a 6.31% boost by adding my LP. Now, when you're ready to withdraw, you can go ahead and go back to pools. Select the pool that you're active in. Choose the amount of liquidity you'd like to remove. You can see how much I have in here now. And you can choose price impact mode or no price impact mode. This time we'll say no price impact mode. We'll take our liquidity out. Confirm the transaction in MetaMask. Come back into the app here and confirm the transaction. If you want, you can always view on the Block Explorer to see how many transaction confirmations have taken place. And in the time it took us to check that, the transaction went through. Now you can go back to your portfolio once again and see, there's a little dust in there, but you've removed the sum of your liquidity for the most part. Remember, the longer you stay active in these pools, the more rewards you'll earn with APR over time. And that concludes this tutorial on how to add liquidity to these pools.